Hello, what's going on? Chef David Rose back at it again here at the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. And today we're making a delicious, remarkable, fantastic, that's all the descriptors I know more, but limited engagement time. Pork Wellington. And what goes really well with pork, we're about to find out right now. We have some delicious sides going. We have our fondant potatoes ready. We have our savory mushroom gravy. So we need something green. And what we're gonna do right now is some asparagus. Simple, easy, done in a flash. Stay right there, I'm gonna show you how quick. So out here I have some asparagus. I blanched that. Blanched is a fancy word for boiling something real quick and stopping that cooking process by shocking it with ice. I blanched them. By blanching them, you're retaining the integrity of the vegetable, have that nice al dente snap, but also getting a nice caramelized finish on there when you hit it on the electric griddle. So, real simple, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic. Told you, it's easy. Over here we have our griddle. I'm gonna hit that little more olive oil in the middle. And I'm gonna take all this deliciousness and put it on the griddle. Again, we're looking for that sizzle. Do you hear it? Oh yeah, we're in business. And you wanna lay it out flat. Remember, the asparagus is already cooked, so right now we're just trying to develop flavor and get a nice crust on the asparagus. It's not gonna take too long, so be mindful of the cooking time with this. And again, looking for nice caramelization, that nice browning, because when you get that browning and caramelization, that's where all that delicious flavoring is gonna come from and release the natural sugars in the vegetable. That's right, vegetables and fruits do have natural sugars, so instead of adding extra to it, just cook what's already in there, and you can achieve that by caramelization. Caramelize your veggies. All right. And again, you see that nice browning on the asparagus, and that's what we're looking for. Not taking too long, about 30 to 45 seconds on each side, just to get that asparagus nice and hot, and get the nice caramelization of the browning on there. It smells so good. I am literally daydreaming about eating this whole meal, and you gotta stay tuned for the rest of it coming together, guys.